Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1! And also, ibabalik na naman po natin yung shoutout every end of the vlog.
So, white, red, and gold. Ang theme natin ngayon.
Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1! Yay! Yes guys, you heard it right. Mag-vlogmas po tayo. I will try my best na gagawin yung vlogmas for the first time na talagang gagawin ko siya, na plinano ko na gagawin siya. So if you've noticed, I've been uploading daily dito sa channel natin except for Saturday. So ganun pa rin po. Everyday pa rin po ako mag-upload ng videos but except for Saturday. The upload schedule is 5 a.m. CST. So 5 a.m. namin dito, and in the Philippines, it's gonna be at 7 p.m. So, every night may mapapanood kayo dyan sa Pinas, and every morning dito sa US may mapapanood po kayo. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na yung ibang makikita nyong contents are still from the previous weeks. I think November or October. Actually, may October pa ako na isa pa, which is our flight from Washington to Sioux Falls. Hindi ko kasi siya pwedeng tanggalin because it's a memory of us. And may nangyari talaga sa flight, which is you're gonna find out what. Hindi naman sa flight, but after the flight. And also, ibabalik na naman po natin yung shoutout every end of the vlog. So, magfi-film ako ng mga shoutouts. So, if you wanna be included in the shoutouts, please comment down below. Ang dami kayong aabangan. We will have a Christmas trip as well out of the country. So, nakaka-excite. Ang daming ganap ngayong December. So, hindi lang siya talaga vlogmas as hanggang 25. So, I will try my best na until the end of January. Until the end of December. Yung vlogs natin. So, stay tuned guys, and I hope you will stick around, and I hope you'll comment down below any suggestion or anything. So, for today's vlog guys, ay papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano namin ginawa itong Christmas tree. And without any further ado, let's go to that video.
Yay! Yay! Wow! Wow! Yay!
Sino kayo ganyan mga ito?
Ayaw mo?
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas memories. Kailangan i-flap-flap.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this
Wow! Walang something.
Making our Christmas
Wow! Patayin nga natin yung ilaw. Wow! Nice! Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, maybe there's someone dancing. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Kanta-kanta nata, believe ako.
Pilipinas lang yun, may gano'n. Everything is white. Again. Wow.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Yun, ang ganda.
Ups!
For your eyes only, Mishi Beng. Ay, parang matutumba naman siya, Daddy.
For Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Puro, ano pala? White and gold lang pala. White and gold. Puro white. Puro white yung paano kaya ito makikita? Ang gold. Ay, may kulong. Nasaan yung ibang decoration? Baka yung isang nakakarton. Wala yung mga may pink ba na ano? Matandaan naman dyan. Parang gusto ko pa rin atang ilagay yung isang Christmas light. Para hitik na hitik sa ilaw. Mishi, no! Ah, ito. Tapay natin buti. Kulang. Parang mga bell. Ay, nandun. So, white, red, and gold. Ang theme natin ngayon. At ang red natin yung konsensya lang. You will like this one better! Sundan mo. Sundan mo ng tingin. Ay! Nadip, mukhang magandang ilagay pa itong extra na ilaw. Para hitik na hitik talaga siya. No?
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline.
Okay na po, Manon Sir, yung Christmas tree po ninyo. Kailangan na lang po natin yung topper po na ilagay. Sino po maglalagay ng topper? Miss Rachel na lang po yung lagay po natin ng topper po. Lagay natin na topper si Miss Rachel kasi yung kakanta. Busy, Mishi. Ayun na maglalagay. Ay, very happy. Again, ko na. Wag na. Bili na lang tayo ng ibang tupper. Wag na. Baka mahulog gabi. Iba na lang. Bili tayo ng ibang tupper. Mabigat ito. Hey! Yes! Wala namang kanta yung Christmas light natin.
Dito tayo sa Pilipinas next time.
Hey guys, so, kukontinue ko lang tong vlog na to kasi nga, na-realize ko na yung Christmas tree namin, kulang siya ng red colors. So, we already bought some more red colors and yun na yung ilalagay namin dito sa Christmas tree. So, i-decorate natin siya!
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry.
Hey everyone! Thank you so much at narating mo na naman ang part ng vlog natin which is the shoutout part. So, magsha-shoutout lang po tayo for today sa mga nagko-comment po sa YouTube. Shoutout ka, Ibrahim Hailil, ang suke, and ang kamaritesan, si Paul, Paul underscore Kun? Kun ba yun? Ayan, ang kamaritesan. And then, shout out din kay Rosemary Sumulong, kay Ronnie Caberto, and kay Annie Grazi. Ayan, salamat everyone for watching our vlogs. And if you want to be included in our shout out sa end ng vlog, just comment down below. And yun, mai-include kayo kasi everyday naman tayo na magbe-vlog for this month. So, ayan. Salamat everyone for watching and I hope to see you guys on our next one. Bye!
Is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.